I no longer fry eggs in oil, only in water. That's right, in water. If you still use oil, you'll stop watching this video. I'll show you an easier, mess-free, and cheaper way using water. Pour half a glass of water into a saucepan. Put it on medium heat and wait for it to boil. Meanwhile, I'll give you a tip. To know if the egg is good, use your mobile phone's flashlight. If it turns orange, it's good. If it's dark, it's spoiled. With the water boiling, add a tablespoon of vinegar and a teaspoon of salt. Mix well and add the egg. Cover and cook for 3 to 5 minutes, depending on the desired yolk consistency. Frying eggs in water is healthier. It doesn't use oil, and you get all the benefits of the egg. Try it at home and share it with friends and family. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell for updates. See you in the next video.